Hi everyone. Welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. It's great to see you here again.
Today, we're talking about something super important, health. You'll learn how to talk about your health, visit the doctor, and describe how you feel, all in easy English.
That's right. You'll learn useful sentences like I don't feel well, I have a headache, and I need to see a doctor.
So stay with us till the end, because we'll also practice pronunciation and a short role play.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss new lessons every week.
All right, let's talk about health in English.
Let's start with simple ways to say how you feel.
If you feel good, you can say, I feel good. I feel great. I feel healthy.
But if you don't feel good, you can say, I don't feel well. I feel sick. I'm not feeling good today.
Let's repeat together, slowly. I don't feel well. I feel sick.
Good job. Now, let's add some details.
Yes. You can say, I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a stomachache. I have a cold. I have a fever.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. Excellent.
Jake, you sound a little tired. Are you okay?
Laughs. I'm fine, Emma. But let's imagine I'm sick for our example.
Hello. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay. You should rest and drink lots of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
That's a very common conversation when you visit a doctor.
Exactly. Let's learn some useful expressions from this conversation.
What's the problem? I don't feel well. Do you have a fever? You should rest. Get well soon.
These phrases are super useful. Let's practice together. You should rest. Get well soon.
Great job.
Now let's talk about healthy habits. What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat fruits and vegetables every day. I also go for a walk every morning.
That's great. I drink a lot of water and try to sleep 8 hours every night.
Nice. Here are more examples you can use. I exercise every day. I eat healthy food. I drink plenty of water. I sleep well. I don't smoke. I try to relax and stay happy.
Let's repeat a few together. I eat healthy food. I exercise every day. I drink water every day.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
Let's listen to another short dialogue.
Okay, imagine two friends talking about health.
Hey, Paul. You look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, you should sleep early.
I know. I was watching TV too late.
Laughs. That happens. Try to sleep early tonight.
Yes, I will. Thanks, Emily.
See? That's a very natural way to talk about health in daily life.
Exactly. You can say things like, you look tired. You should sleep early. Try to rest. Take care of yourself.
Let's say that one again. Take care of yourself.
Nice work, everyone.
Now, let's practice some common health words. Repeat after us.
Fever. Fever divided by means high body temperature.
Cough. Cough divided by is the sound from your throat when you're sick.
Cold. Cold divided by means a common illness with a runny nose.
Sore throat. Sore throat. Divided by is pain in your throat.
Medicine. Medicine divided by is something you take when you're sick.
Rest. Rest. Divided by means to relax and not work.
Healthy. Healthitai divided by means strong and well.
Exercise. Exercise divided by is physical activity for health.
Let's repeat some of them slowly together. Fever, cough, cold, medicine.
Awesome. You're doing great. Let's listen to a short story.
Last week, I woke up with a headache. I felt very tired. I didn't want to get out of bed.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I went to the doctor. The doctor said, you have a cold.
And what did the doctor say next?
The doctor said, you should rest and drink water. I stayed home and slept a lot.
And now you feel better?
Yes, I feel great now. Remember, rest is very important.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about how you feel, use sentences like, I have a headache, talk about healthy habits, visit the doctor in English.
Now, a few quick quiz questions for you.
Question 1. What do you say when your throat hurts? Answer, I have a sore throat.
Question 2. What should you do if you're sick? Answer. I should rest and drink water.
Question 3. What do you say to a friend who is sick? Answer. Get well soon.
Nice job.
You did amazing today. Learning English about health helps you in real life.
That's right. Now you can talk to your doctor, friends, or family about how you feel all in English.
Don't forget to practice what you learned.
Yes. Write in the comments. What do you do to stay healthy?
We'll read your answers and reply to some of them.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LearnUp English.
See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy and keep learning English.